right, so here it is in all its glory, this wonderful little scooter that I have grown quite fond of. It's actually my go-to electric ride right now. And we're just going to go ahead, we're going to start at the top up here. And you can see you have nice big grips. You have back brakes, you have front brakes. You have a little bitty commuter bell. It does come with a phone holder. You do have to install this separately. You can see your charge indicator. You have a key switch. You do get 3 keys. And then this is your throttle. It's actually like a motorcycle throttle, a twist handle design. If you come down, here's a little strap they provide you with a carabiner on it so you can hold your bags and such. This is your release mechanism right here for folding the scooter. It's got a nice big headlight that's super bright at night. You have 14-inch tires. You can see your front brake up here. Your hub motor, 350 watt hub motors in the back. We'll look at that in a second. But getting back to folding this thing up, you just simply lift this release on the side. Let me get over here. You lift this up, you fold this down, and it folds down just like that. You do have to put the seat on too, but the seat's already assembled, so you just drop it in the post and latch it down tight right there, and it is adjustable up and down. Let's go ahead and stand this back up. Just like that, it's locked back in. Now as we come around, you can see there's a nice skateboard type grip tape on the bottom with the Gotrax logo. It does have a kickstand. The seat is super wide for those adult behinds, and for teenagers and such, it's for larger people. This is not a scooter for kids. If you look under here, you actually have springs in the seats as well. And this is one of my favorite features. As we come around, you can see you actually have adjustable coil-over shocks to make that ride nice and comfortable. You just turn this disc to adjust this shock your weight to give you the most comfortable ride. You have this nice 350 watt motor down here with a rear brake as well. You also have the little commuter basket right here. You just bolt this straight on and you can store a bunch of stuff in here while you're cruising around and running errands and such. You do have safety reflectors in the front and the rear. The tires are pneumatic, so they do hold air, which makes them even more comfortable. On the back here, you do have running lights in the back, but this is also a brake light. When you hit your brakes, you can see it flashes, getting everybody's attention to let them know that you're slowing down. And the headlight in the front is activated with the key as well. First position is just on. Second position turns on your nighttime lights. Very, very cool. It is made out of all steel frame. It is a large tubing. This is not a little skinny tubing. It's going to provide plenty of support. You do have rear fenders and front fenders to keep mud and water off of you. And I must say, overall, it's a very nice little scooter. So this is a very nice scooter overall. This little scooter does have a top speed of 15.5 miles an hour, and it has a range of 15.5 miles. So if you're looking for a nice little compact commuter scooter made for adults that's efficient and going to get you around town in an efficient and comfortable manner, then this could be the scooter for you, and I suggest you check out the Gotrax ASTRO. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.